Hi everybody. I've been getting lots of questions about these hoverboards, which is basically the hottest gift this Christmas season. And I want to take a little bit of time to put together this video for you to explain a little bit about what makes a good hoverboard and what makes a bad hoverboard. Because in selling these hoverboards, I had to do some research, and I can save you a lot of time and a lot of anguish in doing so. The first thing you need to know is that these hoverboards come in different wheel sizes. So these two boards that I have here are both 6.5-inch wheels. The board here to my right is a Bluetooth board that has 8-inch wheels. Gives you a little bit more ground clearance and also allows you to hold a little bit more weight. Now, a couple of the main things that you need to understand about what makes a good hoverboard is that each one, so it turns in the middle here, but each one has battery packs, and it also has a control board. Those are two of the key things that determine the price and the quality of the hoverboard that you have. If you have really nice batteries, such as Samsung or LG, you're having the same battery technology that you're finding in your cell phones or in the Tesla luxury sedans. If you're looking at something that's really inexpensive, a lot of times you can't tell what kind of batteries it has in it, or they won't even say what kind of battery it has in it. Some of the cheaper Chinese manufacturers are using nickel cadmium, which is a very old rechargeable battery technology, doesn't last as long, and even though it's cheap, it's just not going to last as long, and you're not going to be able to ride as long. The other thing that a lot of the cheap manufacturers are doing is that they're putting out what I call first generation control boards. And what the control board is basically, it is what is essentially the guts of the machine that has a computer, that has a gyroscope that lets you know, or that senses your pressure and allows the machine to respond to your inputs. So if you have an older control board that doesn't have as good of hardware and software as a part of it, you have a board that's harder to ride and one that's less enjoyable. If you have one like the ones that we sell that have third generation boards included in it, you have the latest and greatest gyroscopes, control processors, and software, which makes it very easy to ride. And I'll demonstrate those here in just a little bit.